Okay, so this is our Power BI. Okay, so very first, what is Power BI? Okay, so Power BI is nothing but your self-service business intelligence tool. So over here, you can easily analyze your data, visualize, and also you can share your data. Okay, so anyone can learn this tool. That's why it is called as self-service business intelligence tool. Okay, then second part, it is also called as SSBI. Means they have took the short form it SSBI, self-service business intelligence tool. Okay, then we have the Power BI components. So we have three types of component available in the Power BI, like Power BI desktop, Power BI service, and the Power BI mobile. Okay, so Power BI desktop is totally free, where you have to develop your report. Okay, in real time as well. All development part you are going to do in the Power BI desktop. Okay. Second, we have Power BI service. Service we basically use for administrative tasks. Okay. Let's say if you want to publish the report, schedule the report, share the report. So such kind of things you are going to do in the Power BI services. And we are going to see that in detail once we start. It's divided into three part again. Licensing. Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, and that is newly added Power BI Premium per user. Okay. So this three has its own differences. So I'm going to cover that part, but let me give you some information about the costing part. For Power BI Pro, you have to pay $10 per user per month. For Power BI Premium, it's near about $5,000. And for Power BI Premium per user, that is $20. Okay. And what are the differences that I'm going to cover in depth? Okay, but in later session. Okay. Next, we have Power BI Mobile. Definitely, nowadays, everyone wants everything on the mobile application. So that's why they have created this Power BI mobile application, where you can easily view your report. Okay. So that purpose, they have created this component. Okay. So let me go to the next slide. Who can use it? I can say everyone. Okay. But I listed some people who generally use, like business user, business analyst, BI professional, developer, administrator. Okay. Even I can say if person knows this tool, then shopkeeper also going to use this tool very nice way. Okay. So it's a very nice tool we have where you can analyze your data easily. Okay. Just we require the data and then you can create very nice report. So I will show you that later. Let's go on the next part. Okay, architecture. Architecture is nothing but the definition which we have seen. Similar things we have in the architecture. Let's say taking a data from the sources means analyzing your data. Then Power BI desktop where you have to create the report. That is visualizing part. Then you have to publish the report and share with the end user. So that is your delivery part, this one, sharing the report. Okay. Analyze, visualize, publish, and then share. Okay. Same concept they have used in the architecture as well. So we have near about 100 plus data sources, okay, where you can connect the Power BI tool. So once you connect it to your data source, then your work will start over here, creating the visualization, okay. But yes, total visualization is depend on your data. If data is wrong, definitely it will show wrong result in the visual, okay. So data is important part. Let me go over here. Next, this slide is very important. Why? Because over here in this slide, we can observe that our Microsoft Power BI tool in the lead position at the top. Then we have the competitor. This slide name called as the Gartner chart. Okay. So this company every year generate this magic quadrant chart. Okay. And they rate the tool. Means which tool having which position. So our Microsoft Power BI in the top in the lead position. Then we have these other reporting tools like Tableau, Click, Looker, then IBM Cognos, and all other tools. Okay. So from here also people choose the course by looking this particular slide. Okay, and it will available in the Google. So you just need to check Gartner chart and you will get more info. Okay, that is one
Yeah.
thing.
I
Then
have
my,
one question.
yeah,
Yeah. Is there any similarity between Power BI and Tableau?
yes, you can visualize the report similar way what we have in the Power BI, but main difference licensing cost. Okay, in Tableau we have to pay more money as compared to the Microsoft Power BI. That is the main thing. So that's why people moving over here in the Microsoft Power BI. Second, Microsoft Power BI, it's too easy as compared to the Tableau. It's very user friendly. Okay. So main reason is licensing cost to go with the Power BI. Okay.
Okay.
So, yeah, but yes, you can develop similar kind of reports in Tableau as well. Okay, what we develop in the Microsoft Power BI. Same with other tool as well, like Looker, MicroStrategy. Okay, these are all are the reporting tool. But yes, in the top we have Microsoft Power BI. Okay,
Yeah.
and yes, some drawback is available in the other tools. Some benefits is available in the other tools. Okay, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me move over here. So next we have benefits of it. So there are a lot of benefits, but I listed some of it. Like you can personalize your dashboard. Very important this one. No specialized or external technical support required. That is very, very important factor. So you don't need to go with the other team members and ask them to do this. It's very easy. Okay. Then we get the security as well. Then also we can create simple and the performance oriented dashboard. They integrates the smoothly with existing application. That facility also available. Okay, so you can share the link and then Power BI report can be integrate with the other application like .NET, SharePoint. So you just need to share those links with our colleague, okay, who developed this Power .NET application and as well as the SharePoint application, and then they can show this report on their application too. So that facility also available. Okay. Regarding this tool, like it started in 2006 with a different name, but actual start is 2015. Okay, so right now it's 2021. So almost we have covered 6 years. Okay, so for this tool, so you cannot show more experience than the 6 years. Okay, so it's only completed 6 years. So that is
Okay.
the one thing. Second, once you completed this course, then you are able to create such kind of dashboard for your organization. Wherever you deploy or if you are working currently in somewhere, then you can create such kind of dashboard. Okay. So this is it for the conceptual things. If you have any questions, just let me know. Okay. If not, then let me jump on now practical things. Okay. So I already created some reports over here so you can understand which type of reports we can create through this application. Okay. If you see this particular window where fish is roaming around, so it's nothing but your report. It's not like a game. If you hover the mouse on the fish, it will give the profit of that area. See, so big fish, you have big profit. Small fish, you have small profit. So such kind of dashboard also you are going to create by using this tool. Okay. And how to create, how to take this visual, I will let you know. Okay. So yes, this facility also available with us.
Excuse me, sir. I'm not able to see your yeah
Okay. So now,
previous example. No. Yeah. Now
oh,
yes.
okay, good. So yes, I was talking about this particular visual. It's not like a game.
Mhm.
It's like a report. If you hover the mouse on a big fish, okay, then it will show the profit of that area. Let's say southeast. Okay, so big
Okay.
fish, big profit. Small fish, small profit. And definitely, you are not going to develop such kind of report for your client. Okay, this is for internal purpose. You can do such kind of things. For client, you have to develop this report. I always show this fish visualization in each demo at corporate level as well as for students as well. So you will get to know we can create such kind of report as well. Okay. So yes, for client, you have to develop such kind of reports. Okay. Not this one. And also we have various facility available over here in the format section. So let me show you. If I want to change this fish size, so I will do that. Instead of round fish, I will take, let's say, triangle fish. Okay, let me show over here as well. Triangle fish. Okay. Then also you can change with the sharks as well. So it's depend on different properties. You can play around it with your visual. Okay. So such kind of things available in the Power BI. That is the one thing. Now, second, I will show you one report. I will create from the scratch. Then you will get to know how easy it is for this particular tool as compared to the other reporting. Okay, so let me close this one. Don't save. Let's jump over here. Okay, so once you install this software, then you will get this icon. And how to install, I will let you know. Okay, it's a very simple process. So just double click on it. It will take time in each system. Okay, first opening. Okay, let me close this window. We don't require. Second, now I will explain this tool. Before that, I have to bring the data. Okay. So as I mentioned, we have 100 plus sources where you can connect, and this is available on this section, get data. If you click on that, and if you click on more, okay, then you will find 100 plus data sources. Okay. And definitely no one is going to work on this all 100 plus data sources. Okay. It's depend on your organization, what source they are going to use. Okay. So see, okay. So these all sources available. Okay. In syllabus, we are going to cover this commonly used Excel, Power BI dataset, SQL. Also, I'm going to show you how to connect with web and the text file or the CSV file. Okay. So this is what we are going to cover in the syllabus. Okay. So you can take data from anywhere. Then after that, you have to start your actual work. So right now, I will show you one simple example by using the Excel file. Okay. In real time, we are going to use Excel as a source only, but with a different data like dimension table and the fact tables. So that we are going to use for demo purpose. I'm showing very simple data like employee details. So you can understand how you can analyze your data if someone knows it. Okay. So let it come. Again, get data, Excel file. Then once you selected your Excel, you will get all sheet details. Right now I have only one. So I'm selecting this one. And then you have to use this load option. Okay. There is one more option called transform data. So that also we are going to use it. Okay. But right now I'm going to load it because I know my data is clean. If your data is not clean, then you have to go with the transform data. Okay. So let it come. Okay, so data is present over here. Okay, and we can see the columns which we have. But what about data? I cannot see over here. So they have provided one more option called data tab. If I go on the left hand side, I have this three tab. Report, where we are going to create the report. Then we have the data tab, where we can see our data, actual data, what we have. Okay, so see like this. Okay, so now by looking this data, Now I can analyze my things, and then after that I will create the report. Okay, in general you will get the requirement from the client. If you not get it, then you have to create your own report. You have to share with your client and then take the feedback and then modify it. Okay, if you not get the requirement, that time only you have to do this activity. Okay, okay, so let's go with the data. So over here, by name, I can identify my salary. Also, gender-wise, I can do my salary. Then also I can see what are my temporary employees or the permanent employees. Okay. Then also I can segregate my data with city-wise as well. Okay. Also, I can see the age of the each employee. Okay. So this is what I analyze my data. Then now, next step, I have to create the report. Okay. So I will go on this tab. This third tab is nothing but your modeling. Okay. If you have more than two tables, then they have the relationship between them. And then after that, you can create the modeling part. I will let you know this part because right now we have chosen only one file. So ignore this right now. Okay. Next, how to create report. Okay. So this is our visualization section, this part where you have the various visual. Okay. Apart from that, we have custom visual as well. Okay, that I'm going to show you later, like fish, which I have showed you. That is again custom visual. That is not inbuilt visual. Okay. So there are two ways where we can do the visualization part. Okay. So very first, this one. If you hover the mouse on any visual, you will get the name of that visual, like this stack column chart, donut chart, card, table, matrix, slicer, like that. Okay. So right now I will take this stack column chart. And when we have to use which chart, that also I am going to explain you in which scenario. Okay. So right now I will take this one and see. Very first I will create my report. Salary by name. Just you have to drag and drop. Okay. And also you can see this details where it's going. Name is going in the axis area, values is going in the salary area. So that is again one trick we have. Whenever you have textual attributes, you have to provide in the axis. Okay. And whenever you have the numbers, numerical values, measures, or the fact details, one and the same thing, that will go in the value section like this. And numerical values can be represented by this sum mark, like this summation mark. Okay. That is the one thing. Now see, over here I can easily understand Kirti earning lot as compared to the other employees. Okay. And if I want to see exact value what Kirti earning, so we have one property called format section. Okay. You have to choose your chart, go to format section and add this property data label where you can identify the salary of employees. See. Okay. This part we are going to see in the detail. Okay. Right now I'm showing only two options. Then I will sort it out by the name. So it looks good. Then after that, I will add one more visual. Let's say this one, donut chart. Okay. And I will compare this value for the gender wise, like gender and the salary. So I can understand my data where I am giving more salary. So see, for female area, we are giving more salary as compared to male. Only in 2 clicks, I will understand my data easily. Okay. I don't need to maintain that Excel big file. Okay. And don't need to compare all those things. Easily I can do that. Again, I have to show you one more example. Let's say if you do in a Excel summation. Okay. So you have to select part, let's say A1 to A100. Okay. You have to type the formula equals to sum. Then you have to choose the A1 column till A100. उसमें भी कभी कभी गड़बड़ हो जाता है, एक आधा कॉलम आपका छूट गया तो कैलकुलेशन गलत हो जाते हैं. सो वो चीज हमें यहाँ पे नहीं करना है. वी हैव द डिफरेंट थिंग्स ओवर हियर. सी, आई विल टेक दिस कार्ड. ओके. And simply I will add my salary column over here. That's it. And you get your result. This is what you have the salary. 280K you are paying for your employees easily. Okay, and it's doing sum. If you go over here, we have sum, average, mean, max, count, okay, everything. So right now it's doing sum. Okay, so such kind of nice thing available in the Power BI, and also you can create tabular report as well. So we have the table if you want to. Okay, so let me show you. Add the column, and you can create the tabular report as well. See what we have in the Excel. Okay, so there are a lot of such kind of things we have, and we are going to learn those part. Okay, also you have this slicer. Okay, so by using slicer, you can slice and dice your data easily. See, if I want to see the mail records, I will click over here, so I can identify it. This is what I am paying for the male employees, and this is what I am paying for the female employees. Or इसको हमें ignore करना है, then just click on this clear selection, then we'll get the original page. Okay, so in 5 to 6 minutes, I have created this dashboard very easily. Okay, so that is the benefit of this tool. Any question, anything, any doubt you have?
No, sir.
No? Okay, good. So next part I will explain. Okay, so every topic which I am going to cover, so we have the video that is read only access, you cannot download. Okay, so each video you have, if you miss the class and if you want to repeat it, you can get that through the video. Second thing, if you are obtaining this session for weekdays, then we have time slot 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., then 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., Monday to Friday. Okay, and it will complete in a 1 month. And if you are obtaining for weekend, that is Saturday, Sunday, we have slot. Okay, 2 hours Saturday, 2 hours Sunday, 1.5 months. Okay, and in that we are going to cover this syllabus. Okay, this one. Okay, so all inbuilt chart. Okay, then the property of our Power BI. Okay, then also I'm going to cover admin part as well. How to publish report, how to share, how to restrict the access, how to schedule report. There are a lot of things. Okay, so admin part also we are going to cover. Then after that, as I mentioned, DAX calculation where you have to write some code. Okay, then also I'm going to show you some custom visual, like 4 to 5 custom visual I'm going to show you, so you will get idea. Then later we are going to see the managed relationship. The syllabus which I have created, like I'm going from basic to advanced. Okay, not the combination like basic, advanced, basic, advanced, basic, then advanced, like that. Okay. Second, in the DAX, we are going to cover this function. Okay, date and time, text function, logical function, information function, math, statistical, time intelligence, and the other function. So we have 1,000+ function in a DAX. So definitely that is not possible to cover in a 1 month. Okay. So I have took which is commonly used. Those all function I had used. And one more thing, DAX is a part where you get the requirement and then you have to play it. It's not like that. If you are learning this function, definitely it's going to use, but again, it's total depend on scenario. You have to play with the DAX. Okay, so that is the main concern about the DAX or any programming language. When you get the requirement, then you have to play it. Okay, so that is the one thing. And as I mentioned, till this you did not get any problem, but yes, DAX you have to play a more. Okay, that is important thing. Okay, so I think that's it related this particular session. Okay, if you have any question, just let me know.